Are people leaving Illinois? Let's take a look at this website called How Money Walks that tracks the income of people and where they're moving to. Now, if we look at Illinois as a whole, where are people mostly moving to? Well, they're moving to Florida. Nearly $16 billion of wealth we see leaving to Florida out of Illinois. After that, it's just a handful of other states that pretty much share the same type of wealth transfer. Now let's dive a little bit deeper and go into exactly where these people are leaving Illinois from. Now, if we look at this map in general, the biggest portion of people leaving Illinois is mainly the closer you get to Chicago. Now, the cool thing about this website is you can zero in on exactly which county we're losing wealth in and where they're going to. For example, let's look at Cook County. They lost $10 billion going to both DuPage and Will County. Now let's take a look at DuPage, where they're losing most of their wealth. And if you take a look, the top two are both Will and Kane County. Okay, so now we saw the data, we saw where people are moving to. What does it mean? So let's take a step back and look at Illinois as a total. We see people leaving Cook County to go to DuPage. We see people in DuPage County leaving to Will and Kane County. What is this pattern that we're seeing? This is the data that we need to see to show people leaving the cities and going more and more out to the suburbs. Look at all this wealth. This many people in the billions of dollars have left the city to move farther away and to go more in the suburbs environment. Now, we can say this had to do a lot with COVID. People wanted more of their own space. People wanted their own privacy. And that's why we see so many people leaving the city and going to the suburbs. And this data is actual proof of it and showing us with monetary figures just how much Cook County is missing. It's going to be interesting to see in the next few years what happens to Cook County and DuPage County with all this wealth transferring out of them. But we'll stay tuned and we're going to track, and anything that catches our eye, we'll be sure to let you guys know. In the meantime, if you were one of those people that left the city, leave a comment and let us know exactly why you did it and why you decided to make that jump.